Says Artwork. In this video I'm going to be drawing on this A5 pad, which is black paper, and I'm going to be using this chalk nib inside of this Koh-i-Noor grip. It's quite a good one. Just push the button, feed it inside, and I'll show you how it goes. So let's get started. So the first thing that I noticed was that depending on the pressure that I applied with this chalk to the paper, it would have a really nice effect of how strong the light was on the subject. Now, before I continue, I would like to say, if you do hear any sound in the background of either my introduction or of this section of my voiceover for the video, then I apologise. It's a temporary setup difference that is going on, but anyway, that shouldn't continue in the future. So continuing on with this, I did really enjoy focusing on where the light was hitting and trying to concentrate on how to render that with the chalk. I haven't done many more of these drawings since, unfortunately. I think it's just because I was starting university when I did these, and I really thought that this would be something which I'd be able to expand upon in university, but found that they didn't really take to this type of work, and they only seemed interested in abstract work, which is not what this turns out being. But there was the first one, was the portrait of a young woman in profile, and then I'd also do a second drawing on this same black paper. These photo references I got from Instagram, and it was just for practice, so it's not anything which I have the photo reference to show you, unfortunately. But this was another really interesting one as far as where the light was focused and how to try to transcribe that in chalk. And for this, I had a lot more age to describe on the face. It's not a perfect likeness, but I do still like the final outcome. I like the fact that I got the opportunity to do a lot of wispy hair and try to show the shine in the eyes. Now, the thing which you can do is, if you go too heavy, you can always just lightly dab the page with your finger, and it does lift off some of the strength of the chalk, even though I think that it's probably the best practice to try and avoid that, and to try and make your drawing as accurate as possible beforehand. But there you have it. There's my second drawing. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a like and leave a comment. And if you would, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, because there'll be lots more content. I'll try and upload about twice a week. All right.